Monster Energy Yamaha Factory Racing GP rider Maxim Renaux has withdrawn from the 12th round of the 2025 FIM Motocross Championship in England due to the hip injury he sustained at the Switzerland round in April. Now, he did make the trip. He went to the British Grand Prix and determined that, well, it's not going to work. With the persistent issues stemming from the injury led to increased pain and discomfort during his morning practice session. Now, as far as I can find coming into this round, or after 11 rounds, depending on how you want to look at it, he was sitting fourth with 347th place behind Koldenhoff, Konen, and Febvre, who has 530 in first. So a pretty big gap right there with 160 almost, like if you want to do some layman's math. Not exactly right up on the title fight, but you know, he's a huge name on a factory bike, and you never want to see people get injured. Like I always say, the most people racing, the highest quality of racers creates the best championship. It's the best to watch, whether you're on TV or in person, like having the big names out there. And yes, you have to have all the privateers too. Those are the guys that fill at the gates, and you've got to appreciate what they do. But these are the guys that are going to be racing for first. They're going to be racing for the podium. They're up, you know, for the championship battle. And they're the ones that you want to see out there all the time because they are at the tippy top, you know, the 0.01% of skill and speed. And something like this, like a stupid lingering injury from April, where we almost into July now, is still hanging around and causing problems. And it sucks to see. I mean, you never want to see anybody get injured, especially somebody in the top four, almost top three, almost third overall, podium wise for the season. And yes, who knows, with an injury like that, you're probably going to start dropping. Behind him is Ruben Fernandez at 338. So, you know, after this round, he's going to be at least one, maybe two. Geiser might pass him so he could go from fourth to sixth. Kind of, you know, a sad thing, but hopefully, knock on wood, this is a one round thing. He can come back for the next round and be, you know, right where he needs to be, back at least semi-healthy or healthy enough to continue racing. I don't know. This is where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Do you watch MXGP, or are you just an American motocross fan? You're Supercross, motocross, whatever. Are you going to any upcoming rounds? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.